Hayi nina Chomi, asumngani acishe angithengisa umngani afuna ngiyodayisa ngomzimba. Story time. Uchomi ungicela isithombe esaku Instagram uthi akakhona ukusave from inside. Like ngiyambuza ngithi ufuna ukusenzani? And ufuna siphi isithombe Chomi? Athi no, ngifuna lesi ofaka icostume ered. Akakhulumi igirl indaba ezwakalayo petroleum flat yes, but yeah, singitry kuba fast. Athi lesi ofaka icostume ngithi lesi bengisedeben athi no man, not lesi osedeben. Ufaka icostume ered ne? Yona lebo ifake edeben but lapho ngathi usephulini ngathi wenze i-razor cut brown and blonde. Isithombe siku Instagram but I can't download the picture. Uyangithola? I can't download this picture. Yeah, nas ke isithombe. Ugele akhuluma ngale sithombe lesi, yabona? Athi kimi ngicela ukuthi ungithumele sona Choma ngikhona ukusave kahle la ku Instagram bengibonisa usisi wami usithandile. Ngithi oh ngiyasibona manje lesi sithombe sakudala. Athi yes bengibonisa usisi wami that picture usisi wami uyithandile. Athi hayi yabona masingathumela ama client lesi ay bayombhuka lo mntwana. Mina ngiyasho ukuthi no maybe bangfunela umsebenzi wokumodela uyokuthi ngibe imodel because ngalezo inkathi bengisasesilenda bengakanoni like so. Ngithi hayi no bafuna ukuthi ngiyoba imodel awumngani noma akufani uyangiplaka kanti uChomi uyangithengisa. Athi ukhazini wami lo sisi wami athi unendlu yakhe une apartment esentini uya driver like iBM like she's well off. So Chomi nawe mofuna ukuthi ukuphila i-lifestyle plus awusebenzi but just use your body. See what your body can do. Look. Look what your body can do, girl. Athi sebenzisa ibody yakho, girl. Kusho ukuthi usisi wakhe like dala ayenza lento le. Athi ende Chomi asi like umsebenzi wokuthi uzoba mabhunabhuna estradeni no. Lona ufaka isutu lakho, ufaka ikwayi lakho, ku travel kulungiswa ama passport kulungiswe ini yabani uba umkhaphi walabantu yes aba top. You understand? So ugirl athi manje Chomi wena uthini ngoba nami ufuna ukungifaka but mina ama undecided ngithi hayi Chomi mina hayi ezokudayisa hayi ngithi hayi kabi Chomi but yabona leyo angizingeni ngikampani ngalamba. Ugirl ngamtshela ngathi mina ngeke ngikhone Chomi ulo kusasa I can't mngani wami Shemi angeke ngize ngikhone angeke ngikhone. Ngithi manje wena uyangena athi hayi ngizocabanga nami am undecided but ngiyabona ukuthi hayi ngathi ufuna ukujoin ugirl. Ngiyagulwa number 1 and ugirl ungitshela nendaba zokuthi no ene bathi laphayana abafuna amajazi Chomi. Yabona mongafakanga ijazi uphana ngayo nje uyabona nje ungena eParliament unjalo nje kungana jazi imali bayayikhuphula kula ohola khona kakhulu but mawufaka ijazi iyoba yincane. Ngathi bayasangana nokusangana uyogula phela. Uyogula uyophathwa izifo ongazazi ngapha imimoya engenayo ongayazi and amadimoni phela mawuzongena emntwini akungena idimoni li1 angena amaningi ayazilawula ngempilo yakho uba miserable ungaba rich mara uhlala ukhala or une stress or une depression ubona nje sinini nabantu bayibulala or in. I'm not saying bonke abantu abazibulala ama situation kanjalo but I'm trying to say ukuthi amadimoni mawaklasele akuhlasele uzoba miserable even though rich or wena. So I'm like I can't Chomi. Umuntu aqala ke waba snacks umuntu akasafone uyabona like sengiyabona ukuthi uyas-distance. Ugirl ngamfonela like literally wa drop ama calls wami ngafona wa drop ngifone drop yazi akunakuthi like maybe uyak-ignore no ifone maybe kufaka ku voicemail lo yabeka i-dropa intentionally bengimbona i-battery flat bengibona ukuthi akangifuna ugirl beka dropa i-column asuye like this year bese kabuyela kimi sekangifonela ngayo. Uyabona asungumuntu obusela okubi ngokubi ne. Amarugeli bokumele nje ngenze revenge. I am so sorry. How? Because mina ngidecline i-request yakhe ukuthi yena ufuna ukuthi mina ngiyothengisa ngomsi. Then nama sengifona manje seka drop ama call because ngimtshelile ukuthi mina Chomi angeke ngikhona uyenza umsebenzi ofana nalowo. Ngcono ngilambe I can't. Yes vele bengasasebenzi ngaleso sikhathi but ukuthi ngizithole ugirl manje ke wabe sekakwatile yazi like ugirl it's been years mina naye singakhulumisani. Uma ngaze this year ugirl ke uyangifonela ngiyayidropa nami afone futhi ngibheke nje phone ngamphenduli angithi ngiyenza lebe kayenza. Yes ayikho into ebhlungu njenge rejection uthi kube ngathi uyasifoster ku-friendship, kube ngathi uforced ukuthandwa. I'm not that person, angisiforced. Mangibona ukuthi abantu abangamukeli ngiyasikhipha, and ngenza sure ukuthi mangibona yabona once wangibonisa ukuthi awungifuni awungithandi, ngidlalela kude nawe. I play far. Ungibonise nje ukuthi awungifuni awungithandi, I play far from you. Ungithumele ne-message, I'm sorry Shame, but I'm not going back to that friendship. Yabona even if i-relationship or kungaba yini, never ukuthi ungifilise unwanted mina. Ungangifilisi small, ungafuni ukuthi uzongirejecta, ufuna ukungipha i-silent treatment, because I'm going to give you that. I'm going to give you exactly what you give me, because now I'm a human being. So girl nje ngimkhatha off. Angifuni next ehlangane no girl ungincedile vele because of i-lifestyle yakhe vele neyami anyways bengafani. Izinto zona ukuzithanda ngiyazithanda, but le i-proposal bekangipha yona bengeke ngikhona. I-friendship yami naye ngoba ukuthi nje iphela from lapho. Well, I think was it 3 months back or 4 months back, angisakhumbuli. Ungithumele yena message, how wawenza sona sengila uhlala khona, I won't mention the place, uyasho ukuthi sengihlala kulawo ma side, let's meet in for yini le esisazoyikhuluma, catch up for what? Yini le si catch up, because when I needed you, you were not there as a friend to support me. You don't have to support me financially, but if ufuna ukuba umngani wami mina mele ube genuine. Mina I don't support ama fake friendships. Ngiphuma ngespeed. Mangibona ukuthi you are two faced, you are fake, ngiphuma ngenyawo zombili. So ungibonisile ukuthi ufake ugirl, anginaso nje isikhathi sakhe ugirl, akaphila impilo yakhe ngiphile yami, ngamupha ithuba, ngaba umngani oright oqotho yena wakhetha ukuba ilento ayiyo. So bye ciao, siyaqhubeka ngempilo. I mean ngisase right, ngisaphefumula, you know. So hey, and you know what, azange ngimjudge ukuthi why mara ufuna ukwenza into so, azange ngafuna ukuba judgmental. Instead nga-understand ngathi you know what, let me not judge, because abantu basithola bakuma situation, you understand. But ungidine manje masekazongipha rejection because mina I'm saying no, I don't want to do this. Yena ubona kahle ukuthi manje mele angifilise, ufuna ukungikhatha off. Ngimkhatha off for good ke mina empilweni yami. Noma ngahlangana naye, if ufuna ukungibulisa it's fine, uzoba hi. If akafuni she can keep it, but angimzondi, anginama grudge. I just made a choice ukuthi nje ngisiphilele impilo yami naye makasiphilele yakhe. But nje ngoba isimo ngangibhekane naso ke leso guys. Impilo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Nangisisi oqoqa story sakhe sokuthi mngani wakhe ayibubi kafuna kumfaka emshoveni ngokuthi bothengisa ingcumo zakhe sana. So uyasho ukuthi mngani nje umtshelile ukuthi ayibo, you need to use your body, sebenzisa njena buhle bemtimba wakho, thine njena as just isikhapha bantu labanemali, bantu laba top, sibe bakhaphi babo, siba entertain. It's not like it's yoma estradini and stuff geleni, but mawungayifakile ijazi or you earn more. Hibothi sesimakamrejectile omngani wacala what distance amasekamfonela kasabambi ma calls akhe, uyamdropa. Uthi wabona ukuthi hibo athi ngiphumela vele njengoba lo muntu ngimrejectile naye sowuphumile kimi. Hibo guys, this is just so scary ukuthi your own friend afuna ukufaka emshoveni mawungafuna akujikele, wayenga-accept ukuthi awufuni. Do comment your thoughts when down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.